Hello and welcome. I've got this really nice Mercedes Campervan to show you. TM Crown Van 690 LB from Kabe. There's the price, 134,305 euros, 697 centimeters long, width 202, height 305, and it looks pretty elegant. I mean, you can see it as you come in. There's a double floor here. You've got the heating built into it. The Kabe comes from Sweden. It gets a bit nippy there from time to time, and so the vans have to respect the temperature and be built for the cold. Seats here, as you can see, not a forward-facing bench, but individual seats which can be individually adjusted. Let's come to the back. Here, okay, we've got the beds in the up position. You can see you've got storage below, and cabinets elegantly laid out, and of course you've got storage all the way around here as well. It gives you an idea of what it's like. Obviously it's here it's sloped because the outside of the van is sloped, and I do like to see this space up here being used as well. Get the maximum use possible in it. Here, this is obviously under the bed, but and you have to put the bed up to get access to it. But bear in mind, this is only 14 square meters, including the engine. Very large battery pack in here. That's 130 ampere hour AGM. I would get a lithium ferrous phosphate battery, particularly if it's going to be spending all this money on it. There are your steps to get into bed should you feel you need the steps. And note this, there is a part of the bed which has been cut away to allow you to walk up the steps and into bed. Here we have got a wardrobe or cupboard of sort. I don't know, it's inside the wardrobe or cupboard. I suppose a wardrobe really needs a something to hang stuff on. Shower unit. The Mercedes is an exceptionally difficult vehicle to make shower units from, and for that reason I'm going to say this has been quite good. It's not a huge amount of space. I mean, if you're really sort of overweight, then you might have problems getting in here. There you go. Alright, so it's a bit, I'd have to say it's a bit claustrophobic in here. I'll turn the light on if I can. No, the light's not coming on. Never mind, can't have everything, I suppose. See it from the see it better from the outside. You can see that this part here also will move across. This is a false wall, and that will allow this to be used as the shower, make it look like one of those toilets that you get in France. In the kitchen we have two burners, a glove and a spoon, and a sink, so nothing particularly unusual about that. That's a Dometic kit, and underneath we've got the storage, and I can't open it. Why not? It's because there is a central locking device. There you go. At the fairs I always leave the central locking so it's unlocked, so nobody comes across, does this yank and rips it all out, as I have heard happen from people who actually look after the stands. Now in this case you'll find a stack of probably not a stack, but you'll find information in the description, because I can't remember everything on every van as much as I may like to. I like that. I like having the bin, something like that. I think that's don't know. That really appeals to me. The table's pretty big for a campervan, I'd have to say. And above me, there's no storage in the bulwark. Pretty good idea in my opinion, because it gives you more space to sort of stand up as is necessary. Skylight, second skylight, storage. Right, so the positive features on this vehicle are obviously the insulation. That is the number one thing. Negative side may be the size of that shower, which is pretty small. You've got an outside shower there, and here I shall demonstrate the gas, where you've got space for two canisters, the large ones, and this can be removed as well quite easily. So this will come out, and that will make it, if you need to change the gas, when you need to change the gas, that's pretty good. But I always suggest get a refillable solution. It works much better. So there you have. I'll take you for a quick walk around the Kabe stand as well. These vehicles are pretty expensive, and the reason for it's the build quality, Swedish quality in general. It's really, as far as this is concerned, here you go, €250,000 for a motorhome. Here, we'll just have a quick walk through, in fact, so you can get a look at it. The style mightn't be for everybody's liking. Another problem with Kabe, I think, is also not only is it dark and it's got this Swedish wood look effect, it also has often some of the motorhomes are very wide indeed. So the widest brand on the market is this. I think maybe the roads are wider in Sweden or something, maybe like they are in the United States. But well, I do like them though. Very, very attractive vehicles. You know, 168,000, 209,000. 168,000, 159,000. Anyway, you can see these in different videos. Now, we also do caravans as well, which I'll just briefly point the vehicle at. So a huge amount of choice of the, wow. You know, for what I would thought was a comparatively small company, it's got all of these possibilities. Anyway. So I'll take you back to this, the star of this show, which is the Campervan Travelmaster. Thanks so much for being here and watching this with me. I hope you found that of interest, and please do see the description. There's more information there, and all the best from me in Stuttgart.